Welcome to another episode of Learning AI with Studio X. Today we will talk about what Google Veo 3 is, how it works, and how it's transforming the way we create video content using artificial intelligence. Google Veo 3 is a state-of-the-art generative video model. It can produce high-quality, photorealistic video scenes from nothing but text. This means that instead of using a camera or animation software, you can simply describe a scene, and the model will generate moving visuals that match that description. Unlike traditional video editing, Veo doesn't require footage, actors, or physical locations. It relies on deep learning and vision language models to understand language and translate it into realistic imagery, complete with motion, perspective, lighting, and atmosphere. The third version of Veo represents a significant leap in video generation. It has a stronger grasp of cinematic concepts such as depth of field, camera angles, environmental effects, and storytelling structure. It can simulate various shooting techniques like slow motion, dolly shots, tracking shots, and even animated transitions. Veo 3 has also improved its understanding of context. It can interpret descriptions with emotional or thematic depth, such as a quiet winter morning, a chaotic street market, or a futuristic laboratory. These scenes are rendered with a sense of intention that feels guided by a creative director. The user experience is designed to be simple. A scene is described in plain language, and within moments, the model generates a short, fully rendered video. Users can refine the visuals, change the setting, or adjust the scene's mood without starting from scratch. This iterative process mimics the creative flow of a traditional video production team, but with none of the logistical overhead. Behind the scenes, Veo uses transformer-based models trained on vast amounts of video and visual text data. This allows it to predict not just static images, but fluid motion, time-based transitions, and believable camera dynamics. The output is typically several seconds in length, suitable for short-form content, visual storytelling, concept development, or prototyping. Creators can then download or edit the video further depending on their needs. Veo 3 is applicable across industries. In advertising, it helps teams produce quick, high-impact visuals for campaigns. In film and media, it can be used to storyboard scenes or experiment with narrative concepts. Educators can create abstract visualizations for science, art, or history. In design and development, it assists with visualizing architecture, motion design, or environmental simulations. While the technology is groundbreaking, it's also important to understand its boundaries. Generated videos may occasionally contain visual inconsistencies, surreal motion, or unrealistic object behavior. These limitations are improving with each version, but human review and interpretation are still necessary, especially in professional or commercial contexts. Responsible use is essential. Like any generative AI, Veo should not be used to spread misinformation, misrepresent individuals, or reproduce copyrighted material without permission. The ethical and legal implications of AI-generated content continue to evolve, and creators should stay informed and act thoughtfully. As the technology advances, Google has implemented safeguards like watermarking, usage guidelines, and content restrictions to ensure videos are used safely and transparently. Looking ahead, the future of generative video is expansive. We are approaching a new era where video creation becomes as accessible as writing a sentence. Tools like Veo are opening creative opportunities for people regardless of technical skill or budget. This evolution could democratize content production, enabling more voices, more stories, and more perspectives to be shared visually, with speed and scale never seen before. In summary, Google Veo 3 is redefining what it means to create a video. It removes the camera, the set, the actors, and even the editing timeline, and replaces it with an intelligent system that listens, understands, and creates. As with all tools, the outcome depends on how we use it. With care, creativity, and responsibility, generative video has the power to inspire and innovate. Thank you for listening. Do subscribe,